Applying for a UK Business Immigration Visitor Visa. Applying for a UK Business Immigration Visitor Visa can be a complicated and intimidating process, with many rules and regulations to take into account. The UK Business Immigration Visitor Visa is a type of visa that allows people to visit the UK for business purposes. It is valid for up to 6 months and is typically issued for a single entry. To be eligible for this visa, applicants must have a valid passport from their country of origin, have sufficient funds to support themselves throughout their stay in the UK, and have proof of the purpose of their trip. The UK Business Immigration Visitor Visa is designed to allow individuals to travel to the UK for a short period to take part in specific business activities. Additionally, applicants must provide evidence to prove that they have sufficient funds to cover their costs while they're staying in the UK. How to ensure a successful application. To successfully apply for a UK Business Immigration Visitor Visa, you must have a thorough understanding of the requirements and guidelines associated with the visa. To ensure you meet the eligibility criteria and have the best chance of being approved for a visa, you must be aware of the relevant rules and regulations. By taking the time to research and understand the requirements and guidelines for the UK Business Immigration Visitor Visa, you can ensure that your application is as strong as possible. Finally, applicants should be aware that certain types of visas come with certain restrictions, such as staying for a set amount of days or not being able to work during their stay. When applying for a UK Business Immigration Visitor Visa, there are certain things you should avoid. Don't forget to sign the application. Don't provide false or misleading information. Don't assume you will be granted a visa. Don't forget to include all necessary documentation and evidence. When considering setting up a business in the UK, overseas entrepreneurs should take into account the costs associated with running a business, as well as the regulations and taxes applicable in the country. They will also need to register their business with Companies House and HMRC and adhere to all relevant regulations and laws. How We Can Help CGM app is an end-to-end immigration app, designed to make the immigration and global mobility process more seamless and compliant, specifically for expats, sponsoring companies, and immigration consultants globally. Visit www.cgmpartners.org.uk/register/ for more information. Thanks for watching.